So this is our entrance pathway, and let's go to our room. It's B02. Hello. You're not welcoming me to our humble abode in Cambodia. So this is our room. Please don't mind the clothes and bags and stuff. So this is the bed. And there are two elephants, cutie. And there is a window here. We can see guava tree. If we want, we can pluck one peru. This is a small table with a kettle and few goodies. There's a TV. We have Wi-Fi. There is a rack for us to put our clothes, a laundry bag. Then again, there is a window. And if we come here, there is a mirror, a fridge, a hairdryer, and this is something which is commonly found here. This is a coconut shell, and inside it is designed. You can see it's very pretty. So it's a coconut shell, and let's go to the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. It's very antique way. It's pretty neat, and this is the wash basin. So it's a neat, budget-friendly hotel, and breakfast is included in this with laundry and cycling. So you want to go for a cycling, you can just go around. It's included in the cost. Laundry is there and breakfast. Breakfast is not too elaborate, too lavish, but they have a very simple, easy menu, which is normally toast, sandwiches, and Asian, Korean-based or Japanese-based food. So this is very friendly, budget-friendly, you can say. It's very budget-friendly. And for those who are traveling on a budget and you are looking for a good hotel with a good budget, then this is the best place. So I will put the description about the hotel in the description box below. Just check out, and if you like, whenever you're visiting Cambodia, you can stay here. It is 12 in the noon. Look, heavy rain. I really hope this does not spoil our day and it stops by the time we are going out. It's very cloudy, so I think it's not gonna stop. Not rooftop, but a balcony kind of an area for bar. And yesterday we could hear some people partying out here. Even there is a rooftop that is a seafood area. And this hotel is perfect for budget travelers. It's very neat, very comfortable, and just perfect. Only thing, the rain is going to spoil us. So this is the courtyard once we enter into the hotel.